Welcome to Hike Bites and part 3 of our Park and Swim series. Today we're featuring the Road to Rock Pools. In this video you will see endless rock pools perfect for swimming, and some are deep enough even for boulder jumping. From the 101, take the 33 towards Maricopa. This is your gateway to some of the most beautiful natural swimming holes in Southern California. Follow the road until you see this beautiful orchard on the left and you're very close. The next landmark is a bridge that is not legal to park on. You will get a ticket. Find the nearest, closest dirt parking lot, pull over and park, and this will begin the adventure. If you see this rock quarry to your right, you're in the right spot. You're at Mosler Rock, our first stop. Just picture yourself right here. Come around 9:30. The crowds usually get here around noon. And you can probably have this spot all to yourself. Just 1/10 of a mile up the road from Mosler Rock on the right is what we call Slab Rock, a natural diving board into crystal clear water. A perfect spot for summer boulder jumps. Get ready. Looking over this deep rock pool, you get a feel for the boulder jumping launch pad. I think the underwater footage really shows off the clarity of the North Fork of Matilija Creek. It was so beautiful, and I love the emerald green color. Always be wise and check the depth before jumping in. If you're a water person like I am, you'll love this place. I couldn't stop diving in. It was just so clear and so peaceful. You gotta get out here. If you look closely, the fish in the creek took a moment to check me out when I was floating. We're leaving Slab Rock, heading downstream towards the bridge that will connect to Mosler Rock. But don't miss the rock pools in between. They're beautiful as well. And there's the bridge that leads to Masla Rock. They do connect. Now we're heading upstream from Slab Rock, and there's about 4 beautiful rock pools back there. Our next stop is a beautiful rock pool that looks like it was built custom made in nature. It was so tranquil. Can't wait to show you. This location and parking spot will include coordinates that you can copy paste into Google Maps and it will take you right here. Wow, it's a beautiful color, isn't it? It's like a perfect wading pool.
Oh, so pretty. Wow. That is so pretty. Wow.
Boy, it just needed the sun, didn't it?
Goodness. What a beautiful location.
I know. So now we're heading downstream where we'll find interesting strata rock formations on the cliff canyons and beautiful tranquil pools. The road to rock pools does not end here, it just keeps flowing, carrying you towards places you haven't even dreamed of yet. Thank you for joining us and watching at Hike Bites, and remember, until your next adventure, explore nature with us, one bite at a time. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you won't miss out of what's coming next week. And here's a small glimpse of what's coming next. See you soon.